Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And, well, on the seashell. Scary. Yeah. So, just a seashell. Okay, I don't live here. I'm just here, so. Let's go in the fence. Okay, let's try on it. I tricked you. Okay. So, I don't actually know where I want to go. I thought that was open. Wait, is it? Okay. So, I don't know where I'm going to go. I think I'm going to go near the creek. I'm probably going to do a video today. Hunting, some bird killing. I haven't really killed one. Oh, sorry about that. Dog track. Something. Alright, well, I'll see you for a second. What this is. Okay, so if we journey on to the creek made of Bible, we find a cow pad with red sticks. Alright, there's a bucket down there. Alright, got a fish to put in. I'm gonna catch some. There's a tree. I didn't realize there. I don't know where we should go now. Alright guys, I think there's something out there. It's a dog. Because I know my dogs. Good. And I know stray dogs. Any dog will bite. They don't know me. And my dog, she is ruthless. She'll bite any dog. Unless they're friends. So, I can tell that there's something right there. Because I can have these crumble. And are the pigeons. Just walking backwards. Whoa. Do y'all know what this is, guys? All of this is salt chips from cutting that cuts wood. It's saw. I'm standing on wood. Tiny little chips of wood. Pretty cool. Probably about up to 1,000,000. Like as many people as on the earth is in here. It's fake. Yeah, that's been burnt. So sad. I don't really know what I want to do now. There's just wood for a house. I mean, deck or whatever. Pretty cool. But we can go take the buggy out, but I'm not sure. So, well, I'll probably do like 2 videos today because I'm bored. I don't know what to do here. But yeah, I'm gonna do 2 videos today. Yeah. I'm gonna do it. Or something about it. Turn right back here. Oh. Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.